So here's just a little example of a couple of 3D printed accessories that I printed for the Osmo Pocket, specifically a secure iPhone adapter as well as a wrist strap adapter so that you don't have to use the wrist strap attached to the goofy case. Who in their right mind thought that you would want the wrist strap attached to the case and not the camera? I have no clue. That it just makes no sense to me. But anyway, with the 3D printed accessory, you actually can attach the wrist strap to a little plastic piece that actually inserts to where the Lightning or the USB-C connector plugs into the Pocket, Osmo Pocket, thereby giving you at least a little bit of security while you're holding the Osmo Pocket. If if it falls out of your hands or something, it's not going to hit the ground, or at least you got a chance of catching it before it gets there. In addition, the case provides a better connection, than just relying on simply the Lightning connector to the Osmo Pocket. Gives the iPhone some stability and also protects the Osmo Pocket as well. Gives you something to grab onto while you're recording. The great thing about the design that I got off of Thingiverse, is that it also provides two slots to be able to plug the other Osmo Pocket adapters into, and they're on the back of the secure phone adapter. This is great because one of the things that you can put on there is this wrist strap that I just talked about. So anyway, take a look at some video here that I put together. I took the pictures with my Samsung Galaxy Note 8. You can see how they all work together. I'm just using the Insta360 little tripod mount right now, but that combined with a little pretty common cell phone holder, you got a nice little system to do vlogging, take long exposures, do some motion captures, time lapse photography, anything. It opens up a lot of possibilities. I hope you enjoy it.